Alright, welcome to this video. Alright, so in this video I'll be guiding you on how you bind your Utrading bot. You bind your exchange, the Utrading bot, right? So if you are coming across my YouTube channel for the first time, do well to click on the subscribe button and also give this video a thumbs up as we continue in this tutorial. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to come to API Connect. You click on API Connect. So you're going to see other various exchanges here. So I use Bybit. So I'm going to use Bybit for this tutorial, right? So you click on Bybit. So you click on Bybit. The next thing you're going to click is click on normal. Don't click on quick. So you click on normal. Now you're going to copy this. Click on this to copy. Yes, I have copied the API access permission. So the next thing I will need to do now is to go to my Bybit. Okay, now I'm in my Bybit. The next thing I will need to do is to click on this search bar. This home US/USD display stake is now saying skate. So it's changing different coins, right? So we just click on that side. Let me click on it. So I click on it. It's going to give me these options. So I'm going to search for API. Already is here because I have searched for it before. As you can see here, is here, right? So but let me search for it. API. I'll search. So once you click on search, let me search again. API API API. Alright, so it has come out. So I'm going to select this. So I click on it. Now we allow it to load. So once it's opened, I'm going to click on create API. You're going to see it here. This is it, create API, right? So you click on create API. So after that, you're going to wait for it to finish the loading so that you click on create new API here. So click create new API. So I click on it and I will allow it to load. And I'm going to select system generated API. System generated API key, the first option here. So I click on it and I will allow it to load. So I'm going to click on this. Place add a mark, right? Add a remark. I'm going to name it Utrading 1, the name. And I'm going to select this read and write. So I'll tick the box, right? I'll tick the box, then I'm going to click on the next box, which is only API. This only IPS with permission granted are allowed to access the API. I'll click on it and I'm going to paste the link I copied. You see where I pasted it. So the next thing, you're going to go down a bit and you're going to see unified trading. Unified trading is where you see both sports trading and future trading. So tick it, and that is all that you need to do. Then you submit it. You click on submit, then you wait for it. Now it has shown me to verify. I'll click on send verification code. Send verification code. Done. So let me go to my email and take my verification code. So the verification code is here. So I'll click on it to copy. So I copy it. So I'll paste it, the first one. I'll go to my authenticator. Google Authenticator. Then I'll copy it. I know it's protected, so you won't be able to be seeing it. So I've copied it and I'll paste it here as well. So now I pasted it, I'm going to click next. So I've clicked next. Now we allow it to load. Now it's done. It's done, right? So it's done loading. So now is for me to copy the API key. This is the API key here and API secret. So look at how I used to do my own. I'll first of all copy the API secret. Do you see it? Then I copy the API code. Now the two I have copied now are stored in my keyboard. So in case if your own doesn't store, you then need to do it manually, right? So that is it. So now I have copied this. I'm going to go to my Utrading now. So now I'm in my Utrading. So this is the first one that I copied, API secret. So the second one is this. So I'm going to paste it. I'm going to paste. What is it saying? Say click on what? Paste. You say please click edit modify. Which one is edit modify? Okay, edit. Okay. So I paste the first one, then I open the second one. This is the second one here. I've pasted it, you see. So I click on save.